morning, everybody. Saturday, got Lil Dirtboss in the house. Say hi, Max.
Hi, everybody.
We're going to the blue foam job to put in the forms for the concrete garage slab we're gonna pour Monday. So we're just gonna get that in, and then maybe we'll find some other work we could do, and we'll check back in a bit. Say bye, bye.
Bye.
All right, we're on site. The radiant heat's here. There's our two boards we'll scab together. Got our marks 2 inches down on the wall because it has a 2-inch pitch, this whole floor. Max is just sweeping all the rocks off the concrete so we get a good bond. And he's gonna, over here, bud, he's gonna get this whole bottom here all swept up and nice. And then we're gonna install this board. Radiant looks good, spaced correctly. A lot of tubing, and now you can definitely see the haunches all well defined in black plastic. It's all thickened concrete. All right, check. All right, Max is gonna screw this scab together. Go ahead, push. All right, Lil Dirtboss raking the rocks back so we can get the board in. Go right across here, Max. Straight across that whole front, just like that. Yep. Getting a nice little grade job going. Got a little hump there. Get it down. Yep, get it down. Good job, buddy. Good job. Get your stakes all in, one on each end, and then I'll put 3 in the center. Then where you going? Keep pounding. And then we're gonna put a string line on this board. Make sure you crown all your boards first. We put the crown up, and then we adjust the creep to it if it has a severe crown, but this one's pretty good. Keep going all the way down to the board. And then once this is, you hit my toe. Holy smokes. He hit my toe. He's gonna pay for that. Well, you think that's funny? You smoked my toe. Good. All right, we're gonna get this. We'll put that board up to that line. Put a screw in there, put a string line on it, make sure we don't have a wave in it, and we'll put a little stone for backfill. Catch you in a bit. All right, we got the board in place, string line on the screws, and you can see the string line is in on the board about a 1/2 inch. So we have to bring the board in to the line. Put it right there. Go ahead, Max, give it a little hit. Do not hit my hand, please. Go nice and, pay attention. Get her in. Nice little taps. Perfect. And we'll drive this one home, do the other stakes, and we should be good to go here. All right, we have all the stakes in. Now we're gonna set it to height. Hang on, whoa, don't go yet. We gotta look. We gotta hit that line with the board. Leave that like that. Ready? Go ahead, screw it in. Now I got that to that mark. Max will screw it in. Push. No. Push on the drill. All right, we got the other side. Get the screw on straight. Push in. There you go. Good job. All right. Now we'll set the center height, and we should be good to go. All right, everything's set to height. Just double check with a level, and I'd say we're pretty dang money. All right, now what we'll do, take these rocks, and we're gonna rake it right up to the board, and this job is complete. Right, Max? You did a good job. Give me a fist pump. Boom. All right. We will see you. What other?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Why not the rest of the day? You're quitting? You done? You want to keep working? All right, we'll find some other work. I'm sure we can find something to get into. All right, guys. Thanks. All right, guys, I just got my favorite stuff, ISO 46 hydraulic fluid, and Max got his gummy bears. Tractor Supply. Right, Max? All right, let's go do some more work. Yeah, we love Tractor Supply. Sure glad you got those snacks, Max, huh?
Yep.
You love them?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do when you get home?
I'm gonna jump in the pool.
He's jumping in the pool. We finally got a good day here. Good day for the kids. It's a weekend, and it's not raining, so he's gonna do the pool. I'll probably throw this hydraulic fluid into the off-road truck, I changed all the fluids. So you'll see that in a bit. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna dump this hydraulic oil in this reservoir. It's already taken 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's 20 gallons. It's already in here. I noticed when we were on the last job, it was milky, so there had to be this gasket was leaking. It wasn't sealed all the way, so I believe that's where it was collecting moisture. Not sure. Hopefully that's all fixed. But I changed the filter already, drained the tank and cleaned the inside. There was like this much white sludge in the bottom of the tank. Clean that, and now this should be the last of our gallons. I think it takes a little over 20, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. We got 20 in it now, and we gotta get, Max is gonna watch till we get onto this sight glass here. So he's gonna let us know. Right, Max? Mm-hmm. And I'm gonna be dumping in. Just stand back a little bit, and you tell me when that oil's in there. All right. Okay. Here we go. When you see oil, let me know.
Okay. Not yet. Keep going.
Stay out of the camera way.
It's green?
No, just look down in there. Tell you see a different color. It's heavy. This really hurts my tennis elbow now.
Nope, not me. Keep going. Until it gets above the red line.
I don't know. Let me look. Did you see anything in there?
No.
Nothing yet, huh? All right, well, whoa. We'll keep looking. We got about, oh man, we got a lot off. We only got about 2 gallons to go. I don't know if we're gonna make it. This can't be 30 gallons, can it? Ooh, we're getting up there. Anything yet?
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Stop.
all right.
Stop.
Oh, it's coming up perfect. All right, let's show the guys. Everybody look. It's starting to creep up above that red.
Yep.
So what we want, ideally, is right here in the middle. Let me know, Max, look. Let me know when it's right there, okay?
Wait, where?
You'll see. In the middle.
Okay. Keep going.
Going up?
Yeah, a little. Taking its time.
That's about all we got. So that's what she's got is what she's got. So that was 25 gallons of oil. And she's above the red line. That will work. And then once she gets warm, she'll fluctuate. She'll get up in here when she's warm. But yeah, 25 is the magic number on that, I guess. All right, that was a nice little quick fix. Hopefully we just gotta put the lid back on and we'll be jumping in for a ride. All right. Yeah.
That's so cool.
It is cool, isn't it? All right, we'll check back. All right, quick update. Got all the fluid in and started up, but this light doesn't go out now. That one, which I read the manual and that I've seen that before, that's the brake light, not the parking brake, because when the parking brake's on, it's a P. You turn that off, that light should never be on. So my brake pedal, there's no brake, so obviously the hydraulic fluid is running the brake system. I might have put air in it because, shut that off. I might have put air in the system because the other day me and Miko were gonna tow this up on a hill there to get the rest of the sediment out of the tank, and it wouldn't move. And with the key, we didn't start it, but with the key on it, he may have just pumped that brake. I'll have to ask him, and that would have sucked air in there, and maybe some kind of solenoid shut off. I don't know, but I'm definitely not diving in this today because it's about the only day it hasn't rained, and I got an acre and some to mow. I gotta mow all my lawn, so 2 acres, not 1 acre. Sorry. That's what I'm doing the rest of the day. My helper, Lil Dirtboss, is in the pool, and we got a birthday party to go to after that, so I need Miko to help me pull some panels underneath in the bottom, the skid plates and because they're real heavy. So we'll be mowing. This is my mower. I got a Ferris. What a difference it is from riding I used to have a John Deere rider. I cut my time in a third to mow this, and it does really well. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you Monday morning on the pour.